Gary Blossom. I've gone down to rock bottom. Now I know the love in my heart was true. Divine sorrow, I thank you for the joy that followed. Back then, my friend, if only knew. It is harder when you love beyond belief, but I'm a fool to let you go.
Yo, what's up? This is Haitian Jonas you're watching right now. Big up to Wyclef Jean.
You are now tuned in to the Haitian Jonas Show.
John came up with a brand new music. It's crazy. It's a new techno. If you don't like it, that's your problem. But I love it. So let's talk about Haiti right now. Haiti's going through a lot of stuff right now. The prime minister is gone, so he resigned himself. Was the best interest for the country, and really appreciate that. It was a smart way. You know, it's not like back in the days when somebody said, I'm not going down, and then they have their own military. So, yeah. What really happened in Haiti, this guy had to go. He snitched on the president. The first time he posted this on Facebook, everybody can see that on his Facebook post, saying to the president, you know, it's not about your family, it's about the country. He was planning to arrest the president's family, arrest president's friend, his surroundings. So he was going to take over the country. And the president will be exiled. So that was the plan for the Laurent Lamont. So you know what? People don't really know. Laurent Lamont used to be the president's boss. Now the president become his boss. Who would like that? Ask yourself a question. So that's the human nature thing. You know what I'm saying? It's not a Haitian thing, but it's the human nature. They will never want you to be their boss, especially when they were your boss. Now, you see demonstration in Haiti. Oh, it's funny. It's funny what I'm going to say. It's very funny. The people who you saw, like the dead guy who you saw on the ground, he was already dead. He was at a morgue. They took him from the morgue and they put him on the ground. That's Haitian, yo. This dude was not shot by anyone. They grabbed a few dead people and they put them on the ground. They were already dead. This thing been happening in Haiti since Préval, Aristide, just to make the country unstable. They put a couple of dead person in the corner, and they said that person was killed by so and so, or because there's no investigations going to happen because it's a third world country. So that's what really happened. And then for Laurent Lamont, I mean, he would have done so well if he really teamed up with the president. But what he was doing, he was arresting, he was making adjustment to arrest like most of the president's friends, most of the president's family. That's what he was doing. And he had a little problem way before that. So that's exactly what's going on. So in Haiti, so Haiti is kind of like, it's crazy right now. Things gonna get better very soon. I mean, all the people asked for Christmas to get rid of Lamont, and then we're gonna see what's next, you know, about Haiti. And stay tuned with HaitianJonas.com, and I will provide you more info. And a lot of people, when I say what's going to happen, they don't believe me. They say, oh, it's a lie. I don't believe you. It's not going to happen. Yo, I said that 2 days ago. I said Lamont's going to be gone. And 2 months ago, I asked the president to fire Lamont. He has to, because you can't accept snitch. How the hell you gonna write Washington and you're gonna tell the Washington government and say, hey, President Michelle has a lot of gangsters around him. I mean, you didn't even let the president know what you were writing. You just wrote, and you didn't think that as he's a president, he's gonna receive that info. So be smart. So this is Haitian Jonas. You're watching right now. Stay tuned. Listen to my posts. Pay attention. Clinton, nice job. Ain't happening. We don't trust you anymore in Haiti. All right? All the land that you have in Haiti, you're going to lose all of them. You're going to lose all the land in Haiti. Deuces.
Gary Blossom, I've gone down to bottom. Now I know the Lord.